Hello, I'm Jason from the Deeper Network, and in this video I will show you everything there is to know about the Device tab.
Once you log into your device, on the left, click on Device, and then let's start with System. The System page is very important. In this page you can copy and paste your device SN, which sometimes is needed for support.deeper.network tickets. You have your temperature, system version, IP address, MAC address, and most importantly on the far right you have the ability to check the system software and update if you need to. If you see a part that says Manual Upgrade, please click that to be on the newest firmware. Next is the traffic page. This is a real-time graph of the traffic going through your system. Lastly is the log page. The log page is a very powerful tool which will help you find domains for sites and services that you want to route. For instance, if I search facebook.com, in the log page, I can see what domains use facebook.com and where they route to. If I want to change that location, I can use that in domain config. Or I can keyword search something like Instagram and see what's being blocked and what's being routed. The log page is a great tool to use if you want to route something that isn't in App Relocator.
We hope you found these videos helpful and informative. Continue watching the playlists to learn everything there is to know about your Deeper Connect and the Deeper Network.
Deeper Network, of the users, by the users, for the users.